in that lesson, so the main question is, what are les pronoms et déterminants indéfinis? We use the indefinite pronouns and determiners when we don't want to be too precise. And this is the key thing. These déterminants, pronoms indéfinis, are used when we don't want to be too precise. And we would rather give a more general word to speak about a person, a place, or a thing. So it will be possible to use them for a person, a place, or a thing. So this lesson is about quelconque. It is used to express the notion of indeterminacy. It is used as an adjective generally placed after the noun. So we will see some examples. C'était vraiment un film quelconque. C'était vraiment un film quelconque. So as you can see here, quelconque is an adjective connected to un film. It's coming after. Un film quelconque. Je ne suis pas prêt à prendre un appartement quelconque. Je ne suis pas prêt à prendre un appartement quelconque. So same situation here. Quelconque connected to appartement and coming after it. Le restaurant était quelconque. La nourriture n'avait rien d'exceptionnel. Le restaurant était quelconque. La nourriture n'avait rien d'exceptionnel. So same thing here. Quelconque is connected to le restaurant. Son discours était malheureusement quelconque, sans passion ni émotion. Son discours était malheureusement quelconque, sans passion ni émotion.